The holographic alignment needs to be absolutely precise on this layer.
I'll adjust the microtext positioning now.
In these massive stainless steel tanks, the raw cotton fibers are vigorously churned, creating the smooth.
Check the alignment on the security thread integration point. The tension is fluctuating.
Rerouting the feed. Looks stable now. The watermark definition is flawless.
The moisture levels on the right side are still fluctuating.
Let's increase the heat on zone 3 and see if it stabilizes. High-resolution cameras analyze watermark quality and thread placement as the paper moves at incredible speeds towards the printing department.
Registration marks are holding steady at 0.02. Temperature and moisture levels optimized for the first pass.
Advanced vision systems compare every embossed feature against digital standards, ensuring the raised ink consistency is perfect. The specialized optical inks create security features that dynamically shift appearance when viewed from different angles, ensuring microscopic precision.
These high-precision presses apply microscopic text and intricate guilloche patterns, essential anti-counterfeit elements.
Engineers carefully inspect the quality at every stage, ensuring the integrity of these advanced security holograms. Every banknote receives a unique identity through secure numbering algorithms. The digital infrastructure coordinates production records.
Advanced machine vision inspects every printed feature.
Automated systems compress and strap the notes, verified by workers under bright factory lights. Automated systems compress and strap the notes, verified by workers under bright factory lights.
Route optimized. Send the next convoy.
Acknowledged. ETA at the vault is 3 minutes.
We need to reroute the southeast shipments due to the updated demand forecast. Confirmed. Adjusting the allocation now.
Secure the pallet now. Confirmed. Moving it in. Blast doors closing.